Master Cheif, your time is up. Surrender the remote control. Me and all the other elites want to watch OPRAH tonight. Me and my elite group of elites don't like missing OPRAH. She always gives us good tips on how to conceal our guilt. Come on, Cheif. None of me and my guys love to wait that long. You know that we will kill you for that remote. I always win. You leave a good bargain, but no! Looks like we're going to have to kill you for that remote. Ah! I fought them, and I won. The right to watch Saturday Night Live!